Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious nachos and guacamole. First, let's prepare the nacho base. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet, then drain any excess fat. Stir in 2 teaspoons of your favorite taco seasoning for a flavorful foundation. Next, spread 10 ounces of sturdy tortilla chips evenly on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, getting it ready for the cheesy goodness to come. Now, let's craft some fresh, vibrant guacamole to accompany your nachos. Take 3 ripe avocados and mash them in a bowl until they reach your desired consistency, leaving some chunks for texture. Fold in 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Finish by adding 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then mix everything together. This bright dip perfectly complements the rich nachos. With your beef seasoned and guacamole ready, it's time to assemble the nachos. Evenly spread the seasoned ground beef over the tortilla chips on your baking sheet. Next, generously sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese over the beef layer. Place the baking sheet into your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly, creating that irresistible pull. Once your nachos emerge from the oven, hot and bubbly, it's time for the finishing touches. Dollop generous spoonfuls of your freshly made guacamole over the warm chips. Add a few spoonfuls of sour cream and some sliced jalapenos for an extra kick and freshness. Serve your incredible nachos immediately to enjoy them at their peak crispness and cheesy perfection. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.